Our hearts are hardened because we fail to focus on the spiritual things. If you listen to our conversation today, tunaongea kuhusu biashara, tunaongea kuhusu pesa, tunaongea kuhusu watoto, tunaongea kuhusu taifa na president na deputy, lakini rarely you'll find people focusing on spiritual matters. Mungu anasemaje today? Ni wisdom gani ambao Mungu anataka tutembee nayo siku ya leo? Many people are troubled. Our hearts are divided. Our minds are divided. To focus on spiritual things. Niko na reference ya kwamba Mungu anaweza kunisaidia hapa kwa sababu niliona akifanya kitu fulani. Can I believe that God can heal me today? Kwa sababu jana niliona aliponya kiwete. Can I believe it? Do I have reference of the doings of the Lord? Can I focus on the power that is above my power? The strength that is above my strength? Can I be able to walk in his presence and focus on him alone? Unaweza tembea na Mungu bila tashwishi yoyote. Ukijua ya kwamba last year sikukuwa na kazi. Mwaka huu Mungu ambaye amenipatia kazi anaweza nipatia kitu ingine. Mungu ambaye amenipatia kazi hivyo amesema anaweza akafanya. Just focusing on spiritual things.